Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. Okay, it's funny, I always say this at the beginning of every video. It's been a while since I've sat down and filmed. Reason being is I film multiple videos at one time, so I don't film every week. Even though we are somewhat in lockdown-ish situations, I still have other stuff going on because I'm still working from home. Y'all know that because you all saw the video above of me working from home. So I'm still working from home. I'm still in class, so I still got a lot going on. So you guys read the title and you're wondering about this product from my point of view. So if you guys want to know how I feel about the Main Choice Cheers collection, stay tuned. All right. It's funny how I come back on my was clapping. Why do I always clap? Anyway, I don't know. Don't ask me. I don't know. Anyway, some time ago, I think it was like late last year or early this year. I don't know. I was at Walmart, you know, one of those rare Walmart runs that I make. I happened to peruse the hair aisle. Every time I go to Walmart, I peruse the hair aisle because it's like either I do that or I'm in and out because I don't, Anyway, we're not going to talk about my Walmart, how I feel about Walmart. This is not that type of video. I happened to find the Main Choice Cheers collection. I picked up 3 pieces from that collection and let's see how I really feel. Let's see. First thing that I picked up was the Supreme Strength and Full Protection Shampoo. This is in a 6 fluid ounce bottle. This is a little bottle of shampoo. On the bottle, it says beer is the life. And it says it scratches out of the party for hair. So this has beer in it, and it says use responsibly on the bottom, which brewed to perfection. Use responsibly. That was actually really funny. This is the shampoo. Next thing I picked up was the Supreme Strength and Full Protection conditioner. Has the same claims on the bottle. This is a 12 fluid ounce bottle of the conditioner. And I picked up the gel Atto. This is a 12-point fluid ounce jar of the gel Atto. So, let's talk about how I feel about these products. Okay, let's start with the shampoo. All right, when I washed my hair, what I did use first was the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight. You guys know about that. Videos above and below. How I feel about that. I used that on the first shampoo to get out any of the last week's product buildup, just to get that out and out the way. And then I went in with the Cheers shampoo. The Cheers shampoo lathered really quickly. You didn't really need a lot of it, just like the Wash Day Delight. You didn't really need a whole lot. And it lathers very quickly. Boom. You're getting your scalp and your hair nice and clean. I actually like the shampoo. Let's see, it says infused with biotin and vitamins B2, B3, and B6, which is really cool. I actually like this shampoo. This is something that I don't say very much, but I did like the shampoo. This is one I know I'm going to use again. I'm probably going to leave in the shower for the next product that I'm going to use because I didn't buy all. Because I'm getting to the point right now, I'm not buying full lines anymore because that stuff costs too daggone much. So this is actually a good shampoo to keep in the shower. And I like the fact that it's a 12-ounce bottle, this is a 6-ounce bottle opposed to a 12-ounce bottle. So you get less because you don't need that much shampoo. That's what I like about that. The conditioner, conditioner wasn't bad. I actually like the conditioner. It's very, very thick. Oh my goodness. Smell wise, for the shampoo, I think I got a little something on my lip. Smell wise, it doesn't smell bad. That's the conditioner. Sucker is thicker. You can actually see what the color of it is in the top there. Very thick conditioner. It kind of makes me think of a deep conditioner, which I kind of like that. That's what I did not bring in here was my deep conditioner that I used, but that's okay. We'll get into that in a minute. Um, this I actually, like I said, I like this conditioner. It coated my hair very well. Once I rinsed it out, it made my hair feel really soft. My curls popped, and I didn't dislike it. I actually liked it. It's one of the, I think this will be going back in the shower also to use with other products. So I will say I did like this conditioner and shampoo combo. For my deep conditioner, I used the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafora conditioning mask. I used that one. Right now, I needed some, I really needed some extra moisture in my hair. So I was like, let me grab that. And it, of course, y'all know how I feel about that. I believe I did a video on that. If I did, it's going to be above and below. And I do love how that conditioner works. Um, Really, I normally use that in the winter time, but right now I've been kind of a little bit lazy on my hair, so I kind of need to get all that moisture back. So I went on and used that. For oil and leave-in, I went to the Melanin line with the multi-use softening leave-in conditioner and the multi-use pure blend oil. Those are what I use for the oil and the leave-in. Of course, you know you only need one pump of this. You need a little bit of that. And we already talked about that a few weeks ago, how I felt. And for the main attraction, the gelato. I actually liked it. I actually liked the gelato. It's a thick gel. See if I can do this without it moving. Actually, it's not super thick, but it's thick enough. But you guys saw it. It's thick enough, and I liked how it coated my hair. It was a really, the gel, you can probably see. Let me get in a little closer so you can see my curls. But every curl took to it quick. And as you guys see, this is day 4 hair, Wednesday. I did my hair Wednesday, today Saturday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. No, day 3, tripping. Day 3 hair. This is day 3 hair, and it still looks good. I lay mainly on my left side, which I can be dangerous sometimes. But I lay on my left side a lot, and it has like a little bit of frizz finally. But it's not that bad. I can still walk around the world with my hair, and it still looks good after 3 days. Actually, I can probably stretch this to about, was it 5, maybe 4 or 5 days I can go. And then it's time I need to wash it again. I did not co-wash my hair this week and last week because I was being slightly lazy, just a bit on the lazy side. But these products are actually really good. I have not had problems with Main Choice. I have used Main Choice before. If the videos are not linked above, they are going to be below, of my last experience with Main Choice. But like I said, I really like these products, and I would recommend them. Question, you all know the question. Would I buy these products again? Yes. Yes, I will buy these products again. I would. I love the fact that they went with a small shampoo because you don't need a lot of shampoo. I like that the conditioner is thick and it's in a big bottle, and the gelato is also a thick gel, and you don't need a lot. That was something else that I had noticed, is you don't need a whole lot for each section. You can rake it through, you can smooth it through. You don't need a lot, because you all know I do 4 sections, and I didn't need a whole lot of product to coat my hair and to get every strand. Of course, you know pictures are going to be on the side, or pictures were on the side. Let me say it that way. And I liked how these products worked on me. I would, these are products I know I'm going to use again, especially if I have somewhere to go and I really want my hair to look good on first day. Because, even first day hair looked good. And like I said, I'm in day 3 and it still looks good. So I know this is a product that I can use over and over again, and I still get like the same results. And that is it for this video. I'm going to get out of here. Don't forget, I have a PoshMark closet. Link is going to be below. You guys, I got some new stuff that I just listed over there, and there's going to be some new things added very soon. Hint, handbags. That's your hint. Some handbags are coming. So go ahead, click on the link, go into my closet, see if there's anything you like, make an offer, get it out of here. I need to get the stuff out of here, okay? That's really get the stuff out of here. Also, don't forget, I have a blog, Sneakers and Handbags. That link is below. Go ahead, take a look. Got some stuff over there. If you guys have any video ideas, talk to me below. If you want to know about all these products, also talk to me below, and I'll have all the links to Walmart, the individual products, and Two Main Choices site below too. Also, if you guys like videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. And those things are free, and it would be hugely helpful if you guys like and make sure you comment also on these videos along with liking them, because it helps YouTube know that you guys are loving the content. And that is all for my public service announcements at the end of the video. So I'm going to get out of here. Dinner's on the way, and I got things to do. So I'll talk to you later. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.